Hi, I'm Jonathan with Starfire Direct, and today I want to show you how to install a Real Fyre G21-GL vent-free fireplace burner system. Now, if you have a vent-free firebox and you're looking to get that beautiful look of fiberglass, but be able to turn it on using a remote control, this is one of the best and one of the few options available to you. So let's go ahead and jump in. I'll show you how to install this unit.
Although our installation videos are intended to help our customers, it's always recommended that you hire a professional. These are gas appliances and must only be installed by professionals with fireplace-specific knowledge and experience. Start off by adding the small battery to the remote control. You can tell if the remote is working if you click it on and see the red light flash. Add the 4 AA batteries in the receiver and make sure it's turned to the remote setting. Start off by making sure your gas line is turned off. If your gas line has a cap on it, remove it and add a gas-approved pipe joint compound to the threads. Although it's not necessary, I like to install an elbow fitting and point the elbow towards the back of the fireplace for a tighter, cleaner installation. This elbow isn't included with the burner, but can be purchased at your local hardware store if you choose to add one. Add more pipe joint compound to the male threads and add the adapter fitting to the elbow. This burner comes with a pre-attached flex line that should reach to either side of the fireplace. Center the burner and attach the flex line to the gas input. Make sure all fittings are super tight. It's important to remember to never use pipe joint compound or thread sealer on flared compression fittings. Position the receiver cable off to the side. Remember, this can melt if too close to the fire. Attach the wire clips to the system as shown. The manufacturer recommends that the receiver stay outside of the fireplace, but for this video, we're showing it inside next to the valve. It's time to test the system before we add the fireglass. Make sure the gas line is turned back on. Turn the pilot knob to the pilot position and push in. This releases gas to the pilot assembly. Use the built-in clicker to spark the pilot and ignite the gas. With the pilot lit, turn the pilot knob to the on position. You should be able to test the remote feature now. Turn on the remote, which should release gas to the main burner where the fireglass will be. It's important to remember that there is air in the gas line since this is a fresh installation. It can take up to a few minutes for all of that air to purge out of the pilot. Be patient with this step. Turn the system on and off a few times to make sure everything is working properly. There's also an on-off switch on the left side of the burner to test. Set the stainless steel cover over the front. Install your favorite Starfire glass on top of the burner. You can also add fireglass to the front and sides, but take care not to completely bury the unit. There's ventilation that must remain exposed to help keep the controls cool. That's it. Now it's time to relax and set the mood with your new Real Fyre G21 fireglass burner from the comfort of your couch. Just point, click, and relax. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below or call our sales team and we'll be happy to guide you in the right direction. If this video was helpful, make sure to fire up the like button and subscribe to get updates on all of our new videos.